How's it going?
Hey, it's good. How's it going for you?
Not too bad. Who do we have here today?
I'm Caitlin.
Caitlin, what are you doing in this harness?
Apparently gonna jump out of a plane at some point.
How do you feel about that?
Really anxious, actually.
Anxious, a
Very
little
anxious,
nervous,
yeah.
scared maybe?
Yes,
Yeah?
absolutely.
All right, did you read any of the waiver?
A little bit, actually.
A little bit,
A little bit, like half.
Half of
And
it?
then stopped when we got
And-
to the dying part.
Oh yeah, that's scary,
Stopped
right?
then.
All right, so listen, you're okay with all that mumbo jumbo?
We'll see. For now, I am.
Yeah, until you get to
in the
that
harness, and then we'll
until
see
you
when
get
we
to that door, you're gonna be like, oh, I changed my mind.
We'll see.
So you know what? No, no, no sounds a lot like go, go, go.
True.
All right, so listen, in a few minutes when we board that aircraft, we're gonna go up to 14,000 feet, we're gonna jump out and have a freaking blast, all right?
All right.
You got any last words, friends or family?
Love you.
All right, I'll see you in the sky. How was it?
Fucking awesome, man.
Would you do it again?
Hell yeah.
All right.
Ready for another?
Do it. Take a deep breath. Now, this is a real deep breath.
Watch your step, honey.
Hey, let's see it. Oh yeah.
Yeah. I do. You do?
I didn't see it yet either. Oh, that's so funny. Good job, dude.
All right. How was that?
Great.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
Yeah?
Absolutely.
No, not as scary as you thought, right?
Not as bad as I thought.
All right.
Give me your finger.
Yeah, I know.
Up in the skydive.
This is why you got the video.
Congratulations. Thanks for coming out, Skydive Tennessee. Yeah, definitely.